Salutations à tous, une autre vidéo pour vous intitulée Leçon U. Greetings to you all, another video for you titled The Sound U. The sound U, the Y that you see in bracket is no more a letter, is a symbol representing a sound. It is U. The sound U is written with U. Exemple, un mur. Un mur, a wall. Sur, on, upon. Du. Du is the contracted articles or partitive article, which is the contracted form of de le. Exemple, du marché. Du marché is from market. Du vin is some wine. Une hutte. Une hutte. A hut, a cabin. Une bulle. Une bulle. A bubble. Une union. Une union. A union. Une réunion. Une réunion. A reunion. A gathering. A meeting. La confiture. La confiture is jam. Les chaussures. Les chaussures is shoes. Un pullover, a sweater or a pullover. Une jupe. Une jupe, a skirt. Une université. Une université, a university. Tu. Tu is you, second person singular. Tu. Lu is read, which is the past participle of verb to read. C'est lu. Dur. Dur. Dur is hard or tough. Durement. Durement is hard. Durement, hard. La dureté. La dureté is hardness. La dureté, hardness. La durée. La durée is time, is track of time, is while, is also period. La durée. Un putain. Un putain is a bitch, a slut, a hooker. This sound U can also be written with U accent circumflex. The sign on top of U that has the shape of a cap is called accent circumflex. U accent circumflex. Example, due. That's due, a due process, due. Mur. Mur. Mur is ripe. We have mur without accent circumflex, which is wall. Mur with accent circumflex is ripe. Example, a ripe mango. Mûr. La mangue mûre. Sûr. Sûr means sure. Sûr without accent circumflex is sure, a preposition. Sûr with accent circumflex is an adjective which means sure. Une piqûre. Une piqûre is a sting of a bee, a sting of a scorpion, a shot, an injection. Une piqûre. Une bûche. Une bûche. Une bûche is a log of wood. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À la prochaine fois et pour une autre vidéo. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you next time for another video.